If you're tired of struggling with your lawn care and want a perfectly manicured lawn, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best zero-turn mowers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Zetum Zero-Turn Mower Cover. The Zetum Zero-Turn Mower Cover, priced at $39.99, caught my attention for its heavy-duty 600D Oxford cloth and waterproof features. If you want to keep your mower protected from harsh weather, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cover measures 79 by 46 by 55 inches, fitting most zero-turn mowers with decks up to 60 inches. It's made from durable 600D material with a PU coating, making it breathable yet super waterproof. That means you don't have to worry about rain or snow ruining your mower when it's parked outside. Plus, it has windproof smart buckles to keep everything secure, ensuring that no gust of wind will send it flying. Now, I did come across some complaints about the fit being a bit loose on certain models. Here's the thing though, as long as you check the dimensions against your mower, you should be just fine. But if you have a particularly small model, it might not fit as snugly as you'd like. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with unpredictable weather and want to protect your investment. Skip this if your mower is smaller than 42 inches, as it may not provide the best fit. For the protection it offers, it's definitely a solid deal. Now, if that concern about fit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Haobao Zero-Turn Trailer Hitch. The Haobao Zero-Turn Trailer Hitch, priced at just $21.49. This heavy-duty steel hitch is designed for those who need to tackle various towing tasks with ease, making it worth checking out. Why does this matter for you? The hitch can handle a pull force of up to 2,000 pounds, which means it's not just flimsy hardware. It allows you to attach straps, ropes, or hooks effortlessly, so whether you're pulling a trailer or lawn cart, this hitch is designed for versatility. Plus, it's compatible with many popular models like Husqvarna and John Deere, ensuring you won't have compatibility issues. However, some users reported that the installation process can be a bit tricky for first-time users. Here's the deal. While it might take a bit of fiddling, once you get it on, it's incredibly solid and reliable. This hitch is perfect for you if you have multiple towing needs and want an affordable yet durable solution. Skip this if you have a very lightweight mower, as you may not need such heavy-duty equipment. Honestly, for the price, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for secure protection and functionality. Product number 3. Neverland Zero-Turn Mower Cover. The Neverland Zero-Turn Mower Cover comes in at $28.79 and promises to keep your mower safe and sound. What caught my eye was its anti-UV and waterproof features, which are crucial for outdoor storage. So why should you care? This cover is made from 210D material, providing robust protection against dust and rain. It even has a drawstring for a snug fit and dual air vents to prevent moisture buildup inside. With dimensions of 79 inches by 46 inches by 55 inches, it fits various zero-turn mowers and maintains airflow to keep your mower fresh and dry regardless of the weather. The downside? A few reviews mentioned that the cover could be a little tricky to put on alone. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's easy. A little practice and you'll be able to get it on without a fuss. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, reliable cover that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need a cover that fits like a glove, as it may not hug smaller mowers as closely as some would prefer, but for the features it offers, it's a worthwhile purchase. Now, if you want something more robust for heavy-duty tasks, let's move on to the next product. Product number 4. Eddy Licks Mag Heavy Duty Hitch and Magnetic Pin. The Eddy Licks Mag Heavy Duty Zero-Turn Mower Trailer Hitch, available for $18.99. This combo pack caught my attention for its powerful neodymium magnetic hitch pin, which is designed for convenience and heavy lifting. Why is this important? The hitch is made from high-quality steel, capable of towing up to 1,500 pounds. That means you can confidently haul your attachments without worrying about breakage. The magnetic hitch pin is a unique feature. It allows you to quickly connect and disconnect your trailers with just one hand, saving you time during those busy mowing sessions. However, some users found that the magnetic pin can be a bit too strong, making it tricky to detach sometimes. But honestly, if you're looking for reliability, that's a good problem to have. It ensures that your attachments won't come loose while you're working. This is perfect for you if you want a quick release option that's still durable for heavy-duty tasks. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional hitch setup, as the magnet might not suit everyone's working style. For the price, it's a great addition to your mower accessories. Alright, that was a handy tool, but if you're looking for something that can help maintain your mower effortlessly, check out our last product. Product number 5, Jungle Gym's Mower Jock. We have the Jungle Gym's commercial mower jock, priced at $244.99. This heavy-duty jock is designed to lift most mowers easily, making it a must-have for serious lawn care enthusiasts. Why is this significant? With a lifting capacity of 800 pounds, this jock can handle heavy-duty zero-turn mowers and even stand-on mowers. The design allows you to lift your mower up to 19 inches, making it easy to perform maintenance tasks like blade replacements or oil changes without straining your back. Plus, it's compact and portable, which is perfect for professionals and homeowners alike. That said, the price point might raise some eyebrows. Here's the thing. If you're regularly servicing your mower, this investment pays off quickly in saved time and hassle. It's built to last with a 2-year weld warranty, so you won't have to worry about durability. This jock is great if you're a lawn care professional or a dedicated homeowner who wants to simplify mower maintenance. Skip this if you only do light lawn care and won't need such heavy-duty support. For frequent maintenance, it's a worthwhile investment that can save you from headaches down the line. To wrap it all up, we've looked at some fantastic options for zero-turn mowers, from protective covers to essential accessories. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Jungle Gym's Mower Jock because it truly simplifies maintenance tasks and ensures your mower runs smoothly. On the flip side, I'd advise staying away from the Neverland cover if you need a snug fit for smaller mowers, as it may not perform well in that scenario. Remember, I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.